My goodness. So I have been receiving so many comments on my recent skincare routine video, and as I have shared a very simple and basic size skincare routine, most of you were like, how is it possible to have such clear skin by following such a simple skincare routine? So especially when I had so many problems on my skin, so many issues, acne marks and all, everything. Trust me guys, this is no rocket science. Okay, by following such a simple skincare routine you can achieve a clear skin. Let me explain it how. So basically you have to know about the ingredient first, and my hero ingredient is this micellar water. So the micellar water is actually used as a skincare product, and it can remove your makeup, sunscreen, oil, dirt, everything from your skin. And the micelles present in the micellar water act like a magnet which swipe away all the dirt, pollution, oil, whatnot from your skin. So let me show you guys something. I searched it on Google and it literally showed me how gentle micellar water is for our skin. And also, if I look into this deeply, you can see how micelles work like a magnet and they help to remove all the dirt from our skin. If you add micellar water to your skincare routine, only then you will know the truth. And you guys know that I use this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water for removing all the dirt from my skin. So I believe in double cleansing, and for that I start my skincare routine with this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It's the best to take off your day's buildup, which helps to get rid of the dirt, impurities, pollution, makeup and whatnot. Garnier Micellar Water isn't as harsh as more traditional facial cleansers, which can strip your skin of oil, leaving your skin feeling tight and dry. And for me, it's very important to use micellar water as the first step in my skincare routine, because in order to create a clean base for my other skincare products to penetrate better into my skin. The usage is very simple. You have to just press and swipe and see how easily it removes everything in one go. This micellar water suits all skin types and is free of sulphates and parabens. It's extremely gentle on the skin. It removes 100% dust, dirt, pollution, sunscreen and makeup in one swipe. Garnier has three variants: Garnier Pink Micellar, Garnier Oil Infused Micellar, Garnier Vitamin C Micellar. Pink micellar is great for my everyday cleansing, and the oil infused micellar water is the ideal choice for heavy waterproof makeup. And lastly, the vitamin C micellar water is a great option for cleansing plus brightening up dull skin. I have added the link in the description box, so go grab yours. So it's a very simple logic. The more you keep your skin all the dirt, oil and pollution free, the more your skin gets to breathe and the blood circulation works properly. So your skin becomes clear, healthy and bright. So what is your thought on Garnier Micellar Water? I have already talked about it.